Your hair is frizzy and dry, and you want something that will make it softer and also enhance growth, this is the best leave-in conditioner for you. So guys, sit back, relax, and I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So let's take a look at our ingredients. We have fresh aloe vera, fenugreek seed, coconut oil, castor oil, rosemary leaves, and shea butter. Each of these ingredients is packed with benefit for your hair. So aloe vera hydrates and nourishes, while fenugreek strengthens and adds shine, coconut oil deeply moisturizes, and castor oil promotes hair growth. Rosemary helps to stimulate your follicles, and shea butter reduces frizz. So first of all, you saw me blending now fenugreek and rosemary into fine powder, and once that is done, I set it aside. So I went ahead to wash my aloe vera properly. After washing it, I went ahead to cut off the bad areas and then cut off the spikes that is by the sides of the aloe vera. So after cutting, I went ahead to give it another rinse and then get ready to dice them.
What had is CG?
So after rinsing the aloe vera, I went ahead to cut it into medium chunks to get them ready for blending. After cutting it, I went ahead to put everything inside the blender. I also added a little bit of olive oil, about like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I had to blend this until I get a smooth consistency. And then I went ahead to sieve it with a mesh cloth in order for me to extract the gel and to avoid any form of particles or pulps.
What had is CG?
After sieving the aloe vera, this is the consistency it is giving us, and it is perfect for our leave-in conditioner. So guys, using the double boiling method, I went ahead to add my shea butter and then I added my coconut oil. My coconut oil is about 2 tablespoons of it, so I added it inside this 1 cup of shea butter. So while the oil is melting, I went in to add my dry items, which is my fenugreek and my rosemary. You notice that my shea butter and my coconut oil is not fully melted. I added this in order to start infusion earlier. This will help the nutrient release gradually into the oil. If you're enjoying this video so far, why not take a moment and like, comment, share to your family and friends or anyone who you think might need this, and also tell me what you think about this in the comment section. And guys, please, if you see any ads, please don't skip the ads. Please watch the ads to the end. It really helps me and motivates me to do more videos like this. After stirring this for about 5 minutes, I removed the infused oil from the heat and let it cool slightly before straining it to remove the solids. You can tell that the oil is really infused. Now it's time to add our fresh aloe vera juice and mix well. So guys, you can also follow me at Riri Wajinobi on Facebook and Instagram, and also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you so much as you do so, and please don't forget the ads, guys. Don't skip the ads. Watch to the end, guys, please. At a point, I stopped mixing and then I add about 2 tablespoons of castor oil into this mixture. Castor oil helps to improve circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and thickness. So you need to incorporate castor oil in your hair care routine. Okay, guys? I combined this mixture thoroughly, ensuring everything is blended perfectly. So I put it away in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, this is what it is looking. Some parts are most of it are really solid, and some parts are soft. So I went in with my hand mixer and then start mixing them thoroughly in order to get a perfect smooth creamy texture. Guys, isn't this satisfying to watch? Look at how creamy this is becoming.
What had is CG?
Anytime I run out of leave-in conditioner, I enjoy doing this. I hope you're enjoying this. Look at how creamy this is looking. So it's time to add my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil encourages growth. It also suits dryness. It strengthens the hair, and it also adds shine to the hair. So it is good to incorporate vitamin E oil into your hair care routine.
What had is CG?
So guys, look at how creamy our leave-in conditioner is. It also melts seamlessly in the palm. Can't you see? So it is good for your hair. It nourishes the hair. It aids hair growth. It softens your hair. Every nourishment you need for your hair, you can get it from this leave-in conditioner. So guys, it's time to transfer this into a container that I'll be using this for. You can store this in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks and it won't go bad. But if you store it outside in a room temperature, I'm telling you it's going to go bad. But put this in your refrigerator for 2 weeks, guys. You can also use this for 2 to 3 times in a week. Your hair feels nourished, so just use it 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, and there you have it, our leave-in conditioner packed with all the goodness your hair deserves. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. Enjoy, share your results in the comments below and let me know how this conditioner works for you. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shining. Bye.